Alright, I'll do this little street machine. You know me with Camaros, I'm not that. You see enough of them. Z28. It's got the RS package, which I always find attractive. Oh shoot, I think it's Daniel also finds that. We really love it. This is 70 Pro Street, 383, 4-speed, fab 9-inch rear, 411s. Oh my gosh, too much to list. Asking $30,000. This car has been restored. It's got a full roll cage in it, manual transmission, as I said, 4-speed. A lot of body work done on it. It's acceptable, but remember, this is a street machine. Look at the way how that is tubbed. That's where the money's at, right there. Asking 30 grand for this, I would say, yeah, just the mechanics alone. It's pretty good. Pretty good indeed. I'm going to switch over to this Olds because I know y'all love this and we always like to get into the Olds. So it's about 72. Let's see how good I am. And 71. Cutlass Supreme, 350 turbo. No rust. Lots of new parts. Fiberglass 442 hood. Grill, etc. Asking $19,900. It presents well. It really does. If you want a nice cruiser, here it is for a fraction of what a 442 would be. I like the way they've got those skinny front tires and the fat rear. It's like, you know, no, not for daily driver. A lot of little details are left off. You could see the way how that's done. You look close, it's like, okay, and the interior is the ho-hum, all black. But you know what? This is not a 442, so you can get away with everything, and you would not feel guilty about driving this anywhere you want. Again, asking $19,900. It would be hard pressed to build that car. We got a nice little 70 Goat. You know me with convertibles, especially red. I like red. Manual transmission. Interesting monocolor on the dash, painted over. The owner's here, so I'm not going to go too crazy. Good old resale red. The Endura bumper was a big feature. That was really pretty cool. Still remember John Z sitting there with his sledgehammer smacking away at it. Let's see what he's asking. What are you asking, please? Asking 60. So what do you think, folks?